Hi, I am Jay Gomez, and if you click the thumbnail, then you're wondering how to take care of plants with ADHD. Okay, I can show you. But first things first, let me show you the stars of the show. Here is my aloe vera. Then here is my red Congo that is always on water. And then over here we have peppermint, which hopefully it will grow, is currently in nursery. And out here we have my Venus trap. And out here we have my red star. Now, we need to talk about strategy. When I first started, I put my plants in the backyard. But that didn't work because I totally forgot about it. And when I remember, it was during trash day, 7 days later, when I realized, oh, I have plants. So I had to change the strategy. I brought my plants inside to the kitchen where I could physically see them and remind myself I have plants. But that didn't work either because then I realized that some of those plants needed to stay close to the window for low lighting. Some of those plants needed to stay outside for full lighting. And then I realized that there's more into plant care than just pouring water. Then I realized I needed to do some online search and find solutions to take care of my plants. Then I found the answer: Planta. Planta is an app that helped me to take care and manage my plants by simply reminding me when to do basic care like water your plant, fertilize your plant, mist your plant. Now, let me remind you, I'm a new content creator, as you can tell by now. I'm not getting monetized. That's not the purpose. The purpose is to show you tools and options on how to take care of the plants. So let me show you. So, when you download the app, you have to put basic information of it, like how many plants do you have, the size of your plants, the type of soil, the type of pot. But once you complete that process, this is how the homepage looks like. And it's very simple. It will tell you how many plants you have and what you need to do on the day. For example, in this example, it says that I am overdue on watering my peppermint, as you can see. And if you see down, it says that I need to put liquid fertilizer to my red Congo. On the top, it says that I need to repot my aloe vera because it doesn't have draining holes. And at the same time, I need to finish the profile of my peppermint. It's a very simple app, and all notifications, it goes to your phone so you will not miss anything. Also, it has the upcoming feature too, where you can see what's upcoming next. If you see, in 2 days, I had to water my Venus trap, and in 3 days, I had to water my red Congo. So, you guys can see it's a simple yet efficient app. It tells me all what I need to do. I'm never missing anything. And it has other functions that you can see at the bottom menu, which really helps you a lot. The next one is this is a side view of all my plants and where they're located at. In this case, my kitchen and my patio. The next is a summary. This is a full view of all my plants and their current status and what they need and what they're missing. You can see a full display here. And it's a very versatile tool in case you want to, rather than looking one by one. The next one is the photos that you uploaded when you first started the profile. And the next options are like diagnosis, community, where you can talk to others, and market if you want to buy supplies. I don't use those. I only use it for the basic notifications. So tell me, what do you think about the app? Do you like it? Is it simple to use? At the end of the day, there are other tools, like our calendars and our phones. Anything that can help us to do mundane activities or hobbies so we can enjoy it in simple ways, we always have to welcome it. So please let me know in the comments, Are there any other tools, any other apps that you would like me to see, review? I am more than happy to upload another video with other tools to help others. As always, thank you for watching.